Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Broman's bra. It's like a sports bra. It's a little bit padded and this is what it looks like. Just in the front and the back. It's made out of 85% nylon and 15% spandex. The straps are sewn in the front as well as the back. It is padded, but you can take them out from the side. And how you do that is I just flipped it inside out and you see this little hole right here. You can take out that insert. So let me go ahead and try it on. So the nice thing about this sports bra is that you can actually wear it as a sports bra, or you can just wear it as like a crop top because it's like, you know, it's perfectly right there. This is what it looks like in the back. And definitely has that support necessary, and the fabric is super seamless and super comfy. So for more product reviews, please make sure to continue watching and I'll see you in the next video. If you want more information about this sports bra, make sure to check out the links below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.